Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. In this we are going to create a multiplication table using C. In C we'll be using for loop and the basics of C. If you're watching this video, I really hope that you know the basics of C. And let's start. So let me just on my screen recorder here real quick. Yes, browser tab, desktop, record. Okay, share. Okay, now that I'll open up my screen recorder. Let's start it. Okay, I'm using a online compiler. Its name is onlinegtp.com. I'm gonna give out the link of this online compiler in the description. You guys can use it if you want to. Now let's open up C here. Yeah, it's the C is open up. We are given the bare minimum that is required to write a C code. Now using this, let's just write it. First we're gonna declare the integers. The integers that we need are n and I, and there you go, we declare the integers. Now let's just have let me write whatever I'm writing here. Let me write a comment on the top of what I'm writing here. Okay, comment can be written like this. Sorry, the number user has to input in the terminal for the table to pop up. Oops. Okay, pop up, and there you go. This here ends are okay. This here ends are. Now let's have it enter the integer, and the integer can be entered here. Now let's add a scanf, which is required for our table to be recognized over here. Now let's the scanf be %d, which is the basic way you introduce a number. The numbers are usually introduced with this %d in semicolon brackets and hyphen. Now that we have in it, let's have a for loop here. For loop can be written down like this. Now that the for loop can be written down like this, let's have the integer I is equals to 0. Oops. Integer I is equals to 0, and we know that in I is actually less than 10, and I plus is what we need. It's less than 10. Let's just have it like that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Let me have a real quick look out. Is this right? I think so. Yeah, it is right. Okay, never mind. Oops, missed out one. Okay, so now we have a for loop here. So in the for loop we're gonna write the main function that is required here, printf, and here in the printf let's take %d, which is used to declare a variable in C. %d and %d is equals to %d, and here we can write down whatever we need to. I and n into I is equals to what we need, and the sentence ends here. Now return 0. This is used so that the value gets returned in 0, and that's it. Let's run it. Okay, here we go. The compiler is running fine. So let's add a number here. Oops, I forgot to add okay, now this should be running. Okay, let's add 68 and Okay, something is wrong. What might that be? Okay, okay. Mm, something is wrong. And I forgot. What was that? I don't know what's going on, but okay, what's going on right now? I'm not sure, but okay. Yo, 636. Okay, this does give out my number, and that's fine, I guess. But I want to add n over here, and the n is not adding up. So give me a second. So I mismatched something here, and it shouldn't be adding the thing here. It should be added here, and now it should be working fine, I guess. Let me just see. 636, and boom, it's not working. I have no idea what's going on. Hold on. Okay, so now it should be working fine, I guess. I just need to edit over here. Let's do this. 77. There you go. It's working fine right now. I don't know what happened. Now maybe